Welcome to 2 Millroy Street here in Wandal.
This property is in a convenient location, a stone's throw away from the base hospital, the airport and the grammar school.
This home certainly is a property that complements the Queensland lifestyle. The upper level of the property includes a gorgeous kitchen, open plan, which overlooks the wonderful vista. The main bedroom is very generous in its proportions. It has great storage, but what I love most about this room is the ensuite. You'll also find bedrooms 2 and 3, as well as the family bathroom on the upper level.
Let's go.
What a fantastic exterior lifestyle this property has on offer. Not only do you have this spacious pool area, you also have a shed for storage, beautifully manicured lawns and landscaped gardens.
2 Millroy Street in Wandal is an incredible family home in a very convenient location.
If our team can help you own this beautiful home, give us a call today. We would love to help you out.